All right, hey, I'm gonna call us a Uber Lyft driver.
Okay. Hey, quit using my little 2-year-old's phone. Watch it. It broke.
Hey, I'll just yell for a taxi.
Okay, you yell for a taxi. I think you need to get that checked out.
I had some crackers.
Maybe I'll just do this and hopefully the taxi will stop. Here comes the taxi now.
It's gonna stop?
I'm sorry. It stopped over there.
Here, I'll get the door for you. I think the door's broke.
I think so. Well, you know what? I was going to get on in anyway.
I'll shut the door now.
I'm doing stairs, man. I'll put my seatbelt on now. I think you need to do the same thing. This seatbelt's old.
Futuristic.
My pick's in surround sound.
Okay, Cabby, drive us to the nightclub as fast as you can.
He's good.
Taxi driver, drive us to the nightclub as fast as you can.
Are we done?
I'm gonna undo my seatbelt now.
That was easy. Oh, look at this. I'm ready to make nightclub. You hear those beats inside?
And listen to the lights blink on and off. Apparently there's mice.
Think we can get in past the guy at the door?
Sure we can, because they don't. This is automated. It has an automatic turnstile like you do at the wherever you go at.
Get out more often.
All right, here I go. I'm gonna go through.
Two people. Put in 2 people.
All right, I'm putting it in now.
Hey, this is made in China. Let me get the door for you.
Is this place haunted? Hey, these are some of those floors that every time you step on one, they make a different sound. Watch. I'm not feeling so well.
You know what? Maybe we just need to get a drink from the bartender.
Okay. Oh, hey, man, is that one of them automated bartenders?
There
It's a robot! It's a robot! Listen to him!
He's a drunk robot. I ain't know where to get your drink. Oh, he's from China too.
All electronics come from Asia now.
Well, you know, how about you pour me a drink? No, I don't want that drink. I want a different drink. Nope. No. Yep. No, the first one.
You understood that? Well, by God, if you can do it,
robot.
if you can do it, I can do it. I want a hurricane. drinking. Well, speaking of which, hey, I happen to stuck me in a bottle of champagne.
How fancy.
Here we go. It's so fierce.
Tell you what, it's still going. I don't think any champagne's gonna be left.
It wasn't the champagne that time.
It scared you, huh?
Toast to a fun night at the club.
That was kind of girly.
Let's try for a manly, yeah.
Saturday night club!
That sounds like beer going down the wrong way.
Well, I'm gonna taste it. I have a sinus problem.
Maybe I can let me try mine. Maybe it looks a little bit less thick than yours.
A lot less thick.
I know, I think a little bit back there.
I'm gonna do like them fancy people do it. I'm gonna throw and break my glass. Here we
Oh, the
go.
drunk robot bartender.
I may be the drunk bartender robot. I'm confused.
Just toss it. Your glass had a fun time.
That was a weird break.
You know what? You would think there's chicks here, not just us.